To manage our digital lives, we can create a healthier, more balanced relationship with technology. Time is our most precious resource. It is the one thing we can never get back once it's gone. Every second that ticks away is a moment we can never reclaim. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to forget just how valuable each moment truly is. Yet, we often give it away freely to the digital world. We spend countless hours glued to our screens, lost in a sea of information and entertainment. The digital age has brought us many conveniences, but it has also made it easier than ever to lose track of time. We scroll through social media, endlessly consuming content that rarely adds value to our lives. Each swipe, each like, each comment pulls us deeper into a virtual reality that often distracts us from the real world around us. We watch endless hours of videos, binge-watching shows and clips that keep us entertained but also keep us from engaging in more meaningful activities. The allure of the screen is strong, and before we know it, hours have passed. We get lost in the digital noise, overwhelmed by the constant barrage of notifications, updates, and alerts. Our attention is fragmented, and our ability to focus on what truly matters is diminished. Mindfulness invites us to reclaim our time. It encourages us to step back from the digital chaos and reconnect with the present moment. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to appreciate the here and now and make more intentional choices about how we spend our time. It encourages us to become aware of how we spend each moment. When we are mindful, we notice the small details that often go unnoticed. We become more attuned to our surroundings, our thoughts, and our feelings. Ask yourself, where is my attention right now? Am I fully present? Am I truly engaged in what I'm doing, or is my mind wandering? These questions can help us bring our focus back to the present and make more conscious decisions. Or am I lost in the digital world? It's easy to get caught up in the endless stream of content, but mindfulness helps us break free from this cycle. It reminds us to take a step back and evaluate how we are spending our time. When we are mindful of our time, we make conscious choices. We choose activities that enrich our lives, that bring us joy and fulfillment. We engage in hobbies, spend time with loved ones, and pursue our passions. We choose to spend our time on activities that nourish us. We invest in relationships. We pursue our passions. These choices lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life, where we are not just passively consuming time, but actively living it. Remember, time is a gift. Let's use it wisely. Each moment is an opportunity to create, to connect, and to grow. By being mindful, we can make the most of the time we have and live a life that is rich with purpose and meaning. A digital detox is a period of time when you consciously reduce or eliminate your digital consumption. In today's fast-paced world, our lives are often dominated by screens and notifications. We are constantly bombarded with information, messages, and updates, which can be overwhelming and exhausting. Taking a step back from this digital chaos can be incredibly refreshing and beneficial for our mental and emotional well-being. This could mean taking a break from social media. Social media platforms are designed to keep us engaged, often leading to mindless scrolling and a sense of disconnection from the real world. By stepping away from these platforms, we can reclaim our time and attention and focus on more meaningful activities. It might involve limiting your screen time. Setting boundaries for how much time you spend on your devices can help you create a healthier relationship with technology. This could include setting specific times of the day when you are allowed to use your phone or computer, or using apps that track and limit your screen time. It's about finding what works for you. Everyone's relationship with technology is different, so it's important to find a balance that suits your individual needs and lifestyle. Whether it's through journaling, meditating, or creating a plan, the goal is to create a space where you can disconnect and recharge. The benefits of a digital detox are numerous. By taking a break from the constant stimulation of digital devices, you can experience a greater sense of calm and relaxation. Activities like yoga, deep breathing, and spending time in nature can help you reconnect with your body and mind. You'll likely experience reduced stress and anxiety, You may sleep better. Without the constant barrage of notifications and blue light from screens, your mind can unwind more easily, leading to improved sleep quality and overall well-being. You might find yourself more focused and productive. With fewer distractions, you can concentrate better on tasks and projects, leading to increased efficiency and a greater sense of accomplishment. Most importantly, you'll reconnect with yourself and the world around you. By stepping away from the digital noise, you can rediscover the simple pleasures of life, like the beauty of nature, the joy of physical activity, and the peace of quiet moments. Digital detox isn't about disconnecting permanently, it's about creating space. It's about making intentional choices to prioritize your well-being and mental health. By setting aside time to unplug, you can create a healthier balance between your online and offline lives. It's about rediscovering the beauty of the offline world. The world around us is full of wonders and experiences that we often overlook when we're glued to our screens. By taking a break from technology, you can open your eyes to the beauty and richness of the real world. It's about reconnecting with what truly matters. Whether it's spending quality time with loved ones, engaging in hobbies, or simply enjoying the present moment, a digital detox can help you focus on the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Take a moment to reflect on your own digital habits. What apps do you use the most? How much time do you spend on social media? When do you feel the urge to check your phone? Awareness is the first step to change. By understanding your digital habits, you can start to make conscious choices. You can choose to break free from habits that no longer serve you. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to reset. You can choose to put down your phone. You can engage in a mindful activity. You are in control. Setting realistic goals for a digital detox. Start small. There's no need to go cold turkey. Begin by setting realistic goals. Maybe you choose to designate 1 hour each day as screen-free time. Perhaps you decide to silence your phone during meals. The key is to find a balance that works for you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Adjust your goals as needed. Listen to your body and mind. Celebrate your successes. Each step you take towards a healthier relationship with technology is a victory. Be kind to yourself throughout the process. Finding stillness. Guided meditation for digital detox. Guided meditation can be a powerful tool for managing digital distractions. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Many apps and online resources offer guided meditations specifically designed for digital detox. These meditations can help you observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. They can create a sense of calm amidst the digital noise. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a difference. It's about creating space for stillness. It's about reconnecting with your inner peace. Breath as your anchor. Mindful breathing techniques. When you feel overwhelmed by the digital world, turn to your breath. Mindful breathing is a simple yet effective way to calm anxiety and ground yourself in the present moment. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Don't try to change your breath. Simply observe it. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. Your breath is your anchor. It's always there for you. Mindful movement. Grounding your energy. Movement can be incredibly grounding. Engaging in mindful movement practices can help you release tension and reconnect with your body. Yoga, Tai Chi, and Qigong are all excellent choices. These practices combine movement with breath and mindfulness. They cultivate a sense of presence and awareness. Even a simple walk in nature can be a form of mindful movement. Pay attention to the sensations of your feet on the ground. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Conscious connection. Using technology with intention. Technology is not inherently bad. It's a powerful tool that can enhance our lives in many ways. The key is to use it consciously and intentionally. Ask yourself before engaging with technology, what is my intention here? Am I using this tool to connect, learn, or create? Or am I using it to escape, numb out, or distract myself? When you use technology with intention, you take back your power. You become the master of your digital experience. Choose to engage with technology in ways that align with your values and goals. What's your own digital experience? Let us know in the comment box. Check out the link below in the description to learn more. Thank you for watching.